What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. This is first intro video about DCC conversion of that Athearn Genesis gorgeous Challenger locomotive. So I think we got one 2005, 2006. On the board it says 2004, looks like design. I'm going to put all videos how I'm doing it unedited to DCC Train live channel, so if you decided to do it, welcome to use my tutorials. A couple of flows, but again it's mid of 2000s, DCC just coming, and technology is moving. Sometimes those boards with the sound and antenna, that radio remote thing just stop working. Yeah, so I did few of them already over the years. Also a couple of flows here. See how oxidized that wire? I'll try here. Yeah, kind of a little bit scraped. So all these wires were like using kind of pins, you know, connected to the board. And also I believe they change how to approach lowering the voltage for LEDs. This has LEDs, but again, all these contacts not solder, so potential issues. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So we're going to draw a little bit. That's Windows capture. Let's start with the plug. This plug has 6 pins, and I'll show you in the diagram. First I need to determine, they put some colors, but the only one thing matching colors is pickup wires red and black, but motor is blue and kind of yellow, which is not really correct. And another for LEDs, white and green, so it's not an NMRA. It's like manufacturer decided to use those wires. But first I need to trace all contacts, so I'm using tester with sound indication. I already complete one, so I'm pointing to that pin, and this is my first pickup. Probably takes 5 minutes to do it. Then I'm writing diagram, because the decoder is going to the tender. All right, so those 2 wires here, try to use my mouse, yes, 2 wires, this is track. Then next to it on the other side here, going to the motor, headlight, and this is number boards. Okay, so you see the different length. That's how I'm determining which one functions or wire is going. So I'll show you here. I'm going to take the insulation. This is the longest one, and then when I determine which one the other one, then I take just a little bit, then half of that. That's just my technology. Works for years, hundreds and hundreds installations. So DCC Train Live, welcome to the channel. You will see all process. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.